back to Snow Dogs Cooking, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Yes, today is actually Valentine's Day, the day that I am uploading this. So some of these ingredients I'm going to show you, you should probably run out to the store and get today because they're probably 50% off. As the title above says, today we are making Valentine's Day s'mores. 1, because it sounded good. 2, because my husband actually isn't here for Valentine's Day. He's up in Canada doing some snowmobiling, so I am just here by myself with the dogs, which is fine. We'll celebrate Valentine's Day next week. But we're gonna make some treats because why the heck not? And as always, we have our 2 trusted helpers here in the kitchen with us, wearing their adorable little Valentine's collars. Look how cute they look. All right, you guys, let's make, oh yeah, you ready? You might get a little bit of this. Let's make some snackies for peoples. So as I said, we are going to be making a version of like a s'mores trail mix, but it's a Valentine themed version. So we're actually going to be using Cupid's Mix, which is just the white, red, and pink M&Ms. I also grabbed the hazelnut Valentine's color M&Ms. If it's after Valentine's Day and you still want to make this, you can just substitute for a different type of M&Ms. I have some mini marshmallows here. I have some milk chocolate chips, and I have some honey Teddy Grahams, because teddy bears just go with Valentine's Day, if you ask me. Now, one of the fun things about this recipe is you can actually make this as a treat for your special Valentine, whoever it may be. Anybody can be your Valentine. It could be a friend, it can be a parent, it can be a sibling, whoever you want it to be. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can make it and then put it in these cute little jars and then give it away as a gift if you want to. So you don't have to eat it all by yourself, but there's nobody else here, so that just might happen for me. So first we are gonna take one whole bag, the whole bag of Teddy Grahams, and dump them in our bowl. And then we're gonna pick 2 of them out, because guess what? Y'all can have a Teddy Graham. Would you like one? Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands so I can add more stuff. Next, I'm gonna take this whole bag of M&Ms, the whole bag, and dump them in. Look at how cute it is! Oh my gosh, the dogs can't have any of these. Oh my gosh, these M&Ms are so cute. Next, we're gonna take the hazelnut M&Ms and dump that whole bag in as well. It's not a very big bag. Oh, there was a few that tried to escape. There we go. It's not a very big bag. I know it looks like a lot. Trust me, this will be great. Next, we're gonna take about a half a bag, because we already have a bunch of chocolate stuff in here, of milk chocolate baking chips. I chose Ghirardelli, is it Ghirardelli? Yeah, something like that, to add because I really like the way these taste. So about half the bag. Trying to measure this with one hand. I might add a little bit more. Look at how big those are. That's one of the reasons I like these. Premium baking chips. They look delicious. And next, I'm discovering that I made poor life choices and this bowl probably is not big enough, but I'm gonna mix this stuff in and then I'll get a bigger bowl. The marshmallows! Mini marshmallows, about half a bag. We might add a little bit more, but there's no way I can mix this, so let me get a bigger bowl. Would you like to be spoiled with a marshmallow? Yeah? Would you like a marshmallow? Just a little one. Just a little bitty marshmallow. Little bitty marshmallow? Delicious? Delicious? Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, I guess this will help us mix everything as well. So we went from poor life choices to better life choices, and I got a bigger bowl. And we're gonna pour it all in there, and look, it's almost mixed. And then I'm gonna take this rubber spoon that I got today, because look at how cute it is. It says love, and even though it's Valentine's Day themed, I can use it whenever. And we're just gonna slowly combine this stuff together. That's what we're working on now. And that, my friends, is it. This is a super simple recipe. Something fun you can make for Valentine's Day while you're sitting on the couch watching movies together. It's so cute, I love it. Let me put it in a jar and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you put it in a jar. It's so cute and makes the perfect little gift for somebody. Just something special to give them that they can snack on while they're at work or wherever they would want to eat it. Normally I would put a little bit of piece of red paper on the top and maybe write a note on it, but I searched and I don't have any. So just imagine that there with a cute little note on it that says, eat me. I don't know what you would write on it, like conversation hearts. I didn't drop anything. I swear I didn't drop anything. So there you have it, you guys. Super easy, super fun. Something you can munch on while you're watching a movie with your significant other. Taste test time. Got to put a little bit of everything in my mouth, so this is going to be a difficult task. I feel fun. And it tastes like s'mores. That's too fun. Just a little sweet treat for Valentine's Day. Who doesn't love sweet treats for Valentine's Day? And anyway, as I said, if you make this for your Valentine, it's a handmade treat. It's a handmade gift. Handmade gift. Who doesn't love a handmade gift? These girls are like, we love handmade everything. You look so cute with your collars. Okay, one more Tagrams. Tagrams for you. Tagrams for you. Alright you guys, well we hope you enjoyed today's short video. This was just something fun I wanted to do. And like I said, I'm home alone. I was looking for something to do. So I made a video for you guys. It's short, it's silly, it's sweet, quite literally. Chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate on Valentine's Day? It's the best. Let us know if you end up making this or if you make any of our other recipes that we have on this channel. We hope you guys have a wonderful day. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Happy Valentine's Day!